T-Rex, I'm having a hard time believing that you were randomly talking to somebody and they happen to know me as the kitchen lady. Or what did you say? The lady who watches Court in her kitchen? Did I meet this person, perhaps, and introduce myself like that to them? Crazy echo. Really? Can you hear me talking now? Is there still an echo when I'm talking right now? Oh, okay. We then have a very big problem because I'm muted on my end. Oh no. Oh, okay. We'll just go with that. Um, oh, that's so funny. I'm being serious. It- I have another mic. I set up another mic last night, but I thought I changed the properties. Hmm, I do. I have multiple mics, but so is it good now though? We're good now. Another mic, Mike says. My house is bugged. Yeah, a little bit. All good. Okay, great. Well, that's so funny. Anyways, I bet when we switch to the next screen that we will have troubles again. Regardless, welcome everybody. I hope I'm having a hard time because normally when I speak, my it goes up on the screen and that's not happening now, but that's okay. I'm just gonna trust that you can hear me. Uh, thank you for being here. I hope you've had a great day. I am wearing almost no makeup, I would call this. This would be an almost no makeup face of Paisley. So I do have uh, I do have uh, mascara on, and I have lipstick, lip gloss, or lip. What is it? This. Oh my God, you guys. So, like, I'm just gonna do a really quick makeup tutorial so that you can look beautiful just like me. No, but these are the only two products that I use tonight. Love them both, under $5 Canadian. Um, but that's not a lie. Both of these are under $5. And this one's vegan, which I don't care about, but and mask proof. Look at that. Mask proof. Oh my God, this is what they do. This is what they do in those things. Hashtag not a sponsor. The cheap drugstore brand. Highly pigmented matte liquid lipstick, quick drying, non-transfer, and long-lasting tested. And then it's in fucking German and I can't even begin to read it. Literally, the next word, Hochpigmentator, Flussgliger, Lippenstift, Lippenstift, mit mattem Finish. That's so funny. Uh, I wish I had her lip gloss. No, I don't, Emily D. Baker, but I would like to. I was looking at it. I almost bought some. I very rarely buy. You want me to spell it on the chat? I don't think I could. Well, I could, but it is in, well, whatever. Anyways, oh my gosh. No, I've completely forgotten where we are. Um, let's this is what I usually do in my life. If you're just new to my life, welcome. I try and go back to what I was doing before, and then I usually remember. Oh, you guys are here. That's what I was talking about. Thank you for being here. Tell me what you have for dinner. If you didn't like what you had for dinner, tell me what you wish you had for dinner. This is a natural phase of makeup. Here we go. We're getting back in the swing of it. This is a natural phase of makeup with my tiny hands and my tiny ears. I'll type it in. I will. I'll type it in here in a second once we get going. Um, Crystal's here. Oh yeah, let me go back. Also, yeah, I saw those shrimp, Courtney. Jealous. Super jealous. Although I think my lips is a little, oh, there, fixed it. Okay, so Jonathan's here, Vicky's here, Mike's here, Jonathan, I said that already. T-Rex is here, Courtney's here, Vicky. Did I say that already too? Wow, I'm fucked up today. Jay from Michigan, Tin Man's here, Iowa's here. How are you doing, Iowa? I saw, I have to laugh so hard at the little miscommunication that happened in Discord, um, where you busted out your Carol impression, I guess it would be. Um, that was just super funny. Somebody posted a picture of uh, a fat raccoon. I think it was a raccoon's butt off of Iowa's Critter Cam, which Hundy P recommend. And she, Iowa, I guess there was a little miscommunication, and somebody said, what did they say? They're like, "Excuse me, where did you get a picture of me like that? You should really ask before posting." Now they meant that as a joke, saying like, "Hey, that's my big fat ass." But after that, it got a little bit confusing until it was spelled out, and I giggled so much laughing at that. Yeah, you did a pretty good, Carol. But still so nice. Still so nice. Anyways, guys, listen. I hope you're doing well. Somebody told me I have a latex allergy. Was that Jay from Michigan? Who was that? Somebody told me that I have was it James Hunts? Who was it? Because, I got to figure something out about this band because my Fitbit, I love it. I can't lie to it. They're silicone. I know. I looked that up. So they're not latex. Wasn't Jay then. So a few days ago I talked about my Fitbit band giving me rashes, which is why and you can say I wear it too tight. I really don't. And I switch it all the time, but it happens on both wrists. And oh, now we're having deja vu because I look over to the place where my metal band for my old Fitbit was, and I looked for that last time and I couldn't find it. Lisa's late. Lisa, this is going on your permanent record. I just have to tell you that. I'm sorry. Um, Anyways, I need to sort it out because I do love my Fitbit. It doesn't love me as well, maybe it does love me. It knows I like to get hurt and have fun. Anyways, okay. Tonight we are playing a little bit of Bond Roulette. So we're going to guess. Yeah, I need to order it. Ooh, saying before. Thank you. See, it always comes back to me. Oh. Shoestrings to it. I mean, I could really just glue the other one onto this, but um I tried to order. I don't order things very often on the internet because I am uh Canadian and it costs a lot of money to ship things here and like multiple reasons. I'm cheap. There's so many reasons. I don't like to wait for anything. I'm not gonna wait for, 2, 3 weeks to get something, even though I should. Anyways, I tried to order a perfume earlier today. Not even my favorite perfume, branching out, doesn't even ship to Canada. I'm so upset about it. So I guess I'll have to make another trip to the US soon so that I can buy that perfume and have it shipped to me wherever I stay. Okay, like I said, we're playing Bond Court Roulette. I don't know. Bond Court Bingo. I don't know. We're going to guess what these people are here for. We have, shouldn't say that, Paisley. Let's just say the chairs are taking a bit of a workout today. One of you guys ship it to me. Oh, that's too sweet. You guys are too nice. Um, I fell for an ad. That's why I almost bought it. Hi, Bev. Uh, you got 8 inches coming tonight too? You said that last night, Lisa. Now we just think that's what you call your friends that come over and visit with their dicks. Um, anyways, hold on. Let me see. Also, I pre-apologize if there's another reverb echo. You got to let me know and I will fix it again. But is it reverb? Reverber? I should probably just speak normally instead of making weird noises. That would help more. Great. Okay, good. Because again, I can't see it like I normally can, so I appreciate that. Thank you guys. Also, on a plus note, we did fix that other mic, so I fixed it. I did. Okay. Like I said, these chairs have been working hard for the ladies here. One lady has some paperwork in her pocket, and I'm not quite sure what that's about, but we're gonna find out. I don't know who's first yet, so I guess we'll wait to guess for just a few minutes. Oh, thank you again, Sudoku, that I downloaded for the plane and never use. They do look like a happy bunch. Is that muted? Why has it got a spinning circle? Death. What is it's playing? That must be on their end, right? Like it's playing. Their legs jittering. Their legs are jittering. Oh,
Okay, madam.
Right here, Judge.
All right, so this is everyone from the first 3 documents, except for the 4 people that we pulled. Is that right?
Correct.
Okay. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Tanisha Jeffers, and I'm going to be magistrating you all this morning. First, we're going to go over your general rights. You have the right to remain silent. You are not required to make a statement.
Hold on.
The statement you do make,
Judge.
however,
Okay, you were
can and will
judge.
be used as
Judge.
evidence against you should your case proceed to trial. You have the right to retain an attorney.
Ma'am, I was trying to speak. Holy shit. Oh, that's a unfortunate freeze frame for her. Okay. We'll go back. We'll go back to nothing. Um, I am sorry that it's a bit laggy. I apologize. I dipped off the screen to help with that. We'll see how it goes. Like I said, experiencing internet speeds in America was humbling to me as a Canadian. Anyways, so it's playing. She's just off the thing. So I hope we don't have an interpreter. We better fucking not.
To make a statement. The statement you do make, however, can and will be used as evidence against you should your case proceed to trial. You have the right to retain an attorney. You have the right to have that attorney present during any interview with any peace officers or other attorneys who may represent the state. You have the right to terminate an interview at any time. If you are indigent and cannot afford an attorney, you have the right to request the appointment of an attorney. You have the right to an examining trial, which is a pre-hearing if you're charged with a felony. You will be given a reasonable time and opportunity to consult with an attorney, and you will be admitted to bail if allowed by law. Do you have any questions, ladies and gentlemen, regarding your general rights? All right, thank you. Next, we're going to go over the 4 main ways to be released from custody. The first way is to post the full amount of your bail in cash or with the cashier's check. That is the full amount, not a percentage or a payment plan. That money is kept on deposit with the sheriff's office until your case is resolved. Once your case is resolved, those monies are returned to you. The second way to be released from custody is by hiring a bail bondsman. A bail bondsman will in general charge you 10 to 15% of the bond amount to obtain your release from jail. Any fee you pay a bondsman, however, is non-refundable. When you are back at the post, you'll be given access to the different phone numbers of different bail bondsmen, if that is what you desire. The third way to be released from custody is by qualifying for personal bond. A personal bond is essentially.
No, it's by telling us what you desire. Could everybody in the chat right now go ahead and tell us what they desire? It's anonymous, like nobody will really know. Just tell us your deep down desires. We'll wait.
Your promise to return to court. The fourth and final way to be released from custody is by hiring an attorney. An attorney can obtain either a surety bond or a personal bond on your behalf. Additionally, any fee you pay an attorney to get you released from custody will oftentimes go towards your total legal fees if you end up hiring that attorney to handle the rest of your case. That way, you do not have to pay twice. Regardless of how you get out of custody, make sure you return for all your court dates, or a warrant will be issued for your arrest. Do you have any questions, ladies and gentlemen, regarding the 4 main ways to be released from custody? All right, Officer Mueller, I have an officer stand.
Okay, so we gotta get our thoughts in. I don't know who's gonna start, but when they come up to the podium, I don't know what they're gonna do. I'm gonna make some broad guesses here. A few DUIs, a few criminal trespasses, I think. And if we're lucky, this judge will literally change somebody's life on the screen right now by eliminating all of their tickets. Oh, drugs. Ugh, I forgot about the meth, of course. Meth. Speaking of drugs, where the fuck is the... Oh, there it
I
is.
was like, let me ask her. I'm sure it's here.
I think none of the ladies
You're
are in
very
for
welcome.
meth.
All right, my apologies. Next, we're going to go over your individual charge and bond amounts. Ladies first. So we have Desiree Rodriguez. Wade.
Wait for him.
Okay, Desiree Rodriguez. Let's go. What do you guys think? She's waving. Ooh, shoplifting, domestic violence. Oh, I gotta type in that German too. I will type that in. Let me smoke this joint first. What are we thinking, guys? All right. So, also, I do love this judge so much. She's always so nicely put together. Fraud. All right. You know, they are sitting so close together. Like, I know we're not in COVID anymore, but just general germ theory these days, like, could we not spread them out just a tiny bit?
You've been charged with a Class B misdemeanor theft of property. The punishment on the type of offense in the state of Texas is up to 6 months in the county jail and a $2,000 fine. That bond has been set at $3,500. Do you have any questions, madam, regarding your charge or bond amount? Any questions, madam?
No, ma'am.
Are you requesting that I appoint you an attorney this morning to help you with this case?
Point of order.
So ordered. Ms. Rodriguez, I want to caution you about coming back. I mean, you're the same age as my daughter. So I'm gonna talk to you like I'm your mama for a second, all right? I need you to make different choices going forward, madam. You get arrested again, you're gonna see me again, and that will not be good for you. Because I'm not gonna let you out of jail a second time. Pretrial Services has determined you qualify for personal bond this morning, though, so you will be processed for release within the next 4 to 6 hours. Do you have any questions about that process, madam?
No.
All right, don't come back. I'm warning you now, okay?
Oh my God, look at her. She's crying. Wow. Also, I think the judge's little talk actually hit. That landed. That landed. Doesn't always land. She did it. This is not a hardened criminal. This girl. This judge is definitely on the 100 list, for sure. Also, if anybody's wondering, we are doing, oh God, oh, I wrote it. Hold on. I wrote it down right here. I know what it is. New Year's Smash or Pass. 2023, Would You Fuck Me? List of 100 judges and judicial officials. So that's coming up, and she will be on the list. Hi, Grammy Rita. Mayor is probably still over at Kay's. She's got a stream going tonight. She just hit 10,000 subscribers. Good job, Kay.
Make some different choices going forward, madam. All right? Thank you.
If you think I wasn't going to put Judge Middleton on that list, Jonathan,
Next, we
you
have
don't
Priscilla
know me.
Gonzalez. Wait. Madam, you've been charged with a Class B misdemeanor theft of property as well. The range of punishment on the type of offense in the state of Texas is up to 6 months in the county jail and a $2,000 fine. That bond has also been set at $3,500. I'm going to give you the same.
Wait, what? I missed it entirely. I don't know who we're talking about. We have to go back. I was so confused.
Next, we have Priscilla Gonzalez. Wait. Madam, you've been charged with a Class B misdemeanor theft of property as well. The range of punishment on the type of offense in the state of Texas is up to 6 months in the county jail and a $2,000 fine. That bond has also been set at $3,500. I'm going to give you the same warning, Ms. Gonzalez. You're the same age as my daughter, my youngest daughter. So I'm going to talk to you like I'm your mama because I'm old enough to be your mama. I need you to make some different choices going forward, okay? The two of you are way too young to be sitting in my jail. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. Are you requesting that I appoint you an attorney this morning to help you with this case?
Court appointed.
All right, so ordered. Ms. Gonzalez, pretrial has also determined that you qualify for personal bond as well. So you too will be processed for release within the next 4 to 6 hours. Do you have any questions about that process, madam?
No, ma'am.
Right, take care of yourself. Thank you.
Where's my lighter is my question.
Next, we have Peggy Gonzalez. All right, Ms. Gonzalez, you and I are the same age. I need you to make some different choices as well. Because you set an example for the two sitting next to you.
Hold on. Peggy Gonzalez, as if we couldn't have guessed that she was older with Peggy as the name. Wait, is that mom and daughter? Look at how their arms are crossed. They are related. They are related. Oh, I would bet on it. I would bet on that. Oh my goodness. Wait, were they all Gonzalez? No, wasn't there one Rodriguez? Hi, Lisa B. This is also going to be theft of property. It's got to be. She's the ringleader. It's got to be.
Right?
Yes.
If this the example you gonna set, y'all all gonna be before me, and I'm not gonna let you out of jail again. Do you understand what I'm trying to say, madam? You too, I need to make different choices going forward. You have also been charged with a Class B misdemeanor theft of property. The range of punishment on that type of offense in the state of Texas is up to 6 months in the county jail and a $2,000 fine. That bond has also been set at $3,500. Do you have any questions, madam, regarding your charge or bond amount?
No.
Are you requesting that I appoint you an attorney this morning to help you with this case?
Yes.
So ordered. You too have qualified for personal bond per pretrial services, madam. So you will be processed for release within the next 4 to 6 hours as well. Do you have any questions about that process?
No, ma'am.
All right, take care of yourself. All right, Ms. Wage, you have an emergency protection order, and I like to do those together, so you're gonna have to stand by for me, okay? All right.
What? 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 Hi, Mayor. Thanks for being here. An emergency protective order against her? Oh dear. Well, then I'm gonna guess a battery or a domestic.
All right, thank you. Next, we have William Fitzpatrick. Wade,
Wave William.
He's here, Judge.
I just can't see him.
Oh, sorry.
Can he come to the center of the room? All right, there we go. So you've
Okay, surfer dude. William Fitzpatrick. Does he have something spilled on the front of his shirt? Pot. Yeah, probably pot for this guy, I bet. 5,000, 10%, Jay's guessing. It depends. If it's pot, probably more than they would for stealing. Public intox, but a lot of pot. Like he was trafficking it. They don't arrest for pot in Austin? Well, what the fuck? Actually, I've gone the last number of however long without smoking as much pot. So, hi, Miss Donna, Orlando Chiquita. Thank you for being here. We're guessing what this gentleman did who's on the screen right now. We don't know the charges, so we're guessing. We're just guessing.
been charged with a Class B misdemeanor accident involving damage. The range of punishment
What? 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 Accident involving damage? Is that what she said? Oh my god. Oh dear. Who else got that alert on their phone? Hi, Charlene.
on that type of offense in the state of Texas is up to 6 months in the county jail and a $2,000 fine. You also, sir, have a Class A misdemeanor evading arrest, where the range of punishment is up to 1 year in the county jail and a $4,000 fine. Each of those bonds has been set at $5,000. Do you have any questions, sir, regarding your charges or bond amounts?
Oh, ma'am.
Are you requesting that I appoint you an attorney this morning to help you with these cases?
Yes, ma'am.
So ordered. Mr. Fitzpatrick, Pretrial Services has also determined that you qualify for personal bond as well. So you too will be processed for release within the next 4 to 6 hours. Do you have any questions about that process, sir?
No, ma'am.
No, it's not
All
go.
right,
It's
take
not
care
a
of
go,
yourself,
Mayor.
sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. Next, we have Jose Moreno. Wait,
You come stop.
Mr. Moreno, you have been charged with a Class B misdemeanor possession of marijuana. The range of punishment on that type of offense in the state of Texas is up to 6 months in the county jail and a $2,000 fine. That bond has been set at $2,500. You also, sir, have a Class A misdemeanor unlawful carrying of a weapon, where the range of punishment is up to 1 year in the county jail and a $4,000 fine. That bond has been set at $5,000. Do you have any questions, sir, regarding your charges or bond amounts?
No, ma'am.
Are you requesting that I appoint you an attorney this morning to help you with these cases?
Yes, ma'am.
So ordered. Ms. Moreno, you also have several tickets pending in our municipal court for $2,307.
Oh, yes. Oh my God, it's gonna happen. She's gonna do it. Oh my God. This literally is some of my favorite court to see. This is a judicial official doing good with her power. She's about to wipe out, unless we have seen some idiots block their blessings, but she's about to wipe out $2,300 of fines for this guy because he stayed one night in jail. It's actually almost incomprehensible to most people because other judges don't do that. They're like, we'll put you on a payment plan. You better pay this $50, blah, blah, blah. She obviously understands the cost of administrating all of that is less or more than would be to just whatever.
$15. I'll give you two choices. I'll give you a court date. The court date will be on November 29th at 2:30 p.m. or I'll give you credit for time served. Which would you prefer?
I take the court.
You
No!
want to pay the $2,317?
Yes, ma'am.
Or do you want me to give you this gift this morning and waive it?
I take the gift.
Huh?
I take the gift.
All right, so your desire to enter into a plea of no contest on these old tickets?
Yeah.
I'll take a plea of no contest, sir. Find you guilty, give you credit for time served, and those tickets will be resolved this morning. Mr. Moreno, pretrial services has also determined that you qualify for personal bond as well. So you too will be processed for release within the next 4 to 6 hours. Do you have any questions about that process, sir?
No, ma'am.
All right, take care of yourself. Next, we have Andrew Wilson.
You cannot tell me that people wouldn't want to go to jail for one night and eliminate their $2,300 fine. I mean, wouldn't it be great if hospitals did that in the States? What kind of gift are you looking for, Mikey? Earlier, what was the question I asked earlier? What was our deepest desire? What did I say? Your desires? Everyone's deepest desires? And we got some good answers. You had a chase. I saw that. Mayor freaked out. I also, yeah. Maybe they'll pick it back up again. I don't know. But I guess that's a gift to you when a criminal evades police. Anyways, what'd you have for dinner? If you didn't like what you had, tell me what you had, what you wish you had. Oh no, wait, didn't you tell us what you're having for dinner? Potatoes and something else. Pot roast or something. Anyways. Um, yeah, Beverly. I wish they would waive medical fees for you guys too. Can somebody please go and run from the police so that Mikey can have his chase? No? Please make sure you're in a helicopter covered area. Obviously a joke. But you never know, you gotta be careful.
Wait,
Wilson.
Andrew Wilson?
Andrew? Uh-huh.
Stand up here, Andrew. Come stand up here.
Oh, he could have waived. I can see him. Mr. Wilson, you've been charged with a state jail felony unlawful, unauthorized. Wait,
Wilson.
Andrew Wilson?
Andrew?
Okay, I didn't even do that. You know when you hear a name that you know for some reason?
Stand up here, Andrew.
In this circumstance, and the person that you might know by that name doesn't look like that, and then that person stands up and it kills you laughing, that's what's happening. I'm dipping off the screen. The internet is obviously not working as I look outside. Also, what is Mississippi pot roast? Squirrel? No. What the fuck?
Come stand up here.
Oh, he could have waived. I can see him. Mr. Wilson, you've been charged with a state jail felony unlawful, unauthorized use of a motor vehicle. My apologies. The range of punishment on that type of offense in the state of Texas is the minimum of 6 months to a maximum of 2 years in a state jail facility and a $10,000 fine. That bond has been set at $7,500. Do you have any questions, sir, regarding your charge or bond amount? Are you requesting that I appoint you an attorney this morning to help you with this case? So ordered. Mr. Wilson, pretrial services did not grant you personal bond, but it appears that they would have if you could provide at least one reference that can verify your address. You gave them Heather and Susan, but neither one of them answered the phone. Do you have another reference that you want to provide that I can add to this paperwork?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so then let me tell you how to make this go faster. You're going to be given access to the phone now that you've seen me. The number for pretrial services is posted on that phone. Give Heather and Susan a call. Give them their number for pretrial that's posted on the phone. Have them verify your address. If you can do that, then we'll release you on personal bond within the next 4 to 6 hours. Do you have any questions about that process, sir? All right, sir. Take care of yourself. Next, we have Robert Wilson. Wait. Oh, Mr. Wilson, you have an out-of-county felony on the underlying credit or debit card abuse from Brazos County. They have set that bond at $10,000 cash or surety. I'm sorry. They actually set it at $25,000 cash or surety. But I have removed the cash or surety condition and reduced the bond to $10,000 to allow you to post bond out of Travis County and not have to wait to 10 days in jail for Brazos County to pick you up. Will that help you?
That would be great. Thank
You're very welcome. Are you requesting that I appoint you an attorney this morning, sir, to help you with this case?
you. I have an attorney appointed.
You do. All right. So ordered. Mr. Wilson, you also have some old tickets pending in our municipal court for $679. I'll give you the same two choices. I'll give you a court date. That court date will be on November 16th of 2023 at 2:30 p.m. Or I'll give you credit for time served. Which would you prefer?
Will he understand? Will this gentleman understand? I have a feeling he will, and he'll take the gift. She said it was a gift to the last guy too, which I thought was hilarious. But this is literally she's changing people's lives. This is like daytime television when they used to give out things, That's what this feels like. Somebody's getting a real prize. Real prize. Never had frog legs. Oh, frog legs are delicious. So are escargot. Yeah. Adventurous eating is fun. Anyways, so what do we think? I think he's gonna get this. He's gonna let's make a deal. Yeah, it's like let's make a deal. She is like Dismissal Dan, but she does it in a different way. Dismissal Dan, I wouldn't. That'll be something for me to review on and talk about later. I can't. I have to think about that. Maybe she needs a story like Dismissal Dan has.
And just so I understand, the credit for time served is that waives it. Like I don't have to serve any more time. I just.
Is credit for the time you served as of this moment, sir.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Is that?
And then, okay.
That is the most intelligent question. Properly timed. Completely valid. I think we've heard in court in a long time. Really. Rather than the guy from before who was like, no, I'll take the court date. Like he didn't understand. Deal or no deal. We get some of your American television in Canada. And back when I used to watch television, I don't anymore. I have YouTube.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. I just wanted to make sure the distinction was I served the time, I get credit for it, and not like, oh, you need to serve more time to fully abolish it. I wasn't sure.
No, it's credit for the time you served as of right now. So which would you prefer, sir?
And will it go on my record if I take that option as well?
Yeah, it will.
Okay. I would like to take that. I would like to go to court in Travis County.
All right, no problem. We'll give you a court date. You have any other questions for me?
Oh my God. Oh, blindsided. Blindsided. No. No. How did he do that? How did he turn that around? Yeah, Mayor, check on that. Um, I'm baffled. I'm blown away by him refusing the gift. It's already on your record, dude. Right? Because he already has the fines, which to me is a sentence. So his time for pleading or like fixing that problem is over. This is the point of clarification he doesn't understand. The court date that she's going to give him isn't about the offense, it is about him not paying. Isn't it? I think that's the case. So he's already pled to this. I think if her response would have been, it's already on your record, you can't change that, he would have taken it. Turn of the phrase there. He's gonna be pissed. Oh, fuck. Oh my God. Wow. You talk about blocking your blessings? My God. Wow. How fucking hard do you think he's gonna kick himself when he realizes that he had that opportunity? He ain't ever getting it again unless he comes down here and gets in trouble in hopes of getting her again? I don't know. I don't know. I'm baffled.
Sir.
Do I have the personal, you lowered the bond and which I extremely appreciate. Do I have the personal,
We don't give personal bonds for out of county holds. So you,
no,
sir?
I posted bond before I got in here, before you.
Oh, well, if you posted bond, then you should get out. Who posted your bond?
Gage Gandy in Brazos County.
Okay, yeah, just give them a call. You're gonna be given access to the phone now that you've seen me. Go ahead and give that office a call and make sure that that bond has been posted. And we'll release you within 4 to 6 hours if it hasn't.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Take care of yourself. Next, we have Crescendo Flores. Wade.
Coming up, Judge.
Hold on. The name is Crescendo. Okay. As somebody named Paisley. That's even more unique than my name. That's crazy. Crescendo. What is Crescendo going to look like? They're off screen right now. We are going to see Crescendo in a moment. But Mikey, you just missed possibly the dumbest move of the day that we have seen. And I've been watching Stupid Criminals all day. This judge, I'm sure you're aware, often gives away fines for people, and he just gave up that option. Yeah. He gave away his gift. He blocked his blessings. Anyways, I thought your chase might have come back up.
Okay, no problem. Mr. Flores, you've been charged with a 3rd-degree felony.
Oh, Crescendo. This guy's name is Crescendo. Crescendo. Jonathan, that's a great joke. At first, he'll look small and then get bigger. Crescendo really builds. I love it. Oh, that's a good one. That was the opposite of a crescendo. Because he don't look. Wait, I don't know the name for that. I do know it. Like, I remember it from my piano lessons, but I don't remember what it is. It might be like retar something or other.
Felony assault, family violence. The range of punishment on a type of offense in the state of Texas is a minimum of 2 years to a maximum of 10 years in the Texas Department of Correction and a $10,000 fine. That bond has been set at $15,000 plus a TSS out.
Hold on, is it really retardo? It is, and I remembered that. Holy shit. No, discrendo. I don't think it's discrendo. I actually think it is retardo, which I feel inappropriate saying. But again, I guess I don't know why I remember that. I don't know how to play the piano. I don't remember that. But I remember musical theory quite well, apparently.
Alcohol class. Do you have any questions, sir, regarding your charge or bond amount?
My understanding it was a misdemeanor, not a felony.
No, you have a prior conviction, they allege. So once you have a prior for assault, the next one is an automatic felony. Are you aware of that?
Yeah, this was 2013. It's about 10 years ago.
It doesn't matter how long ago it was. Our law says once you have a conviction for a misdemeanor assault, the second one is an automatic felony. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
All right, so you are innocent until proven guilty. But I want to remind you that anytime you come back on an assault, family violence in the future, it's always going to be a felony and subjecting you to prison time. So I think you might want to make different choices, right? But again, you are innocent, but I want to make sure you understand what you're facing. Okay. In addition to that, sir, you have a class A misdemeanor resisting arrest where the range of punishment is up to 1 year in the county jail and a $4,000 fine. That bond has been set at $5,000. Do you have any questions, Mr. Flores, regarding your charges or bond amount? Are you requesting that I appoint you an attorney this morning to help you with these cases? All right, so ordered. I also want to let you know that you do have an alleged victim that was supportive of you being released on personal bond. However, with this being a felony, you no longer qualify for personal bond on your own in Texas because the law changed in September 2021. This is now considered what's called a Senate Bill 6 case. Our governor and the legislature pushed this bill through, and what it says is you can no longer qualify for personal bond on a felony assault in the state of Texas. It's one of the reasons why we have to vote, right? So we don't have these types of draconian laws that get put in place. But in any event, you no longer qualify despite her attempting to help you get out on bond. What that means for you, Mr. Flores, is you must hire an attorney or a bondsman, pay them 5 to 10% of the bond amount, which is the going rate to get out of jail in Travis County. In your case, that works out to be anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 to any attorney or bondsman of your choice. You will be given access to the phone to hire them now that you've seen me, and they do work 24 hours a day. Any alternative, I can also appoint you an attorney who can attempt to obtain personal bond for you free of charge. Would you like for me to appoint someone to help you this morning?
Let me ask you this. So moving forward from this point, I don't qualify for the personal bond, but I can set myself.
Buddy, she literally told you what Senate bill or whatever pushed it through the legislature. Like, no. Crescendo, it's over. Finite. Also, I played the clarinet as well. Also not very well, but I did play it. And I bet I could play the clarinet. I think I could maybe play each the same very poorly. Also, we're gonna have a really fun New Year's, you guys. I'm so excited about it. It's gonna be great. And I think we could, anyway, I'm not gonna say all the ideas. Anyways, we're gonna have a really great time, and welcome, Dana. Yes, this judge will absolutely be on Smash or Pass 2023. Would you fuck me? New Year's spectacular.
With the bondsman that can help my situation. So whether you approve me an attorney or not, personal bonds out of the store.
Right, you can't qualify on your own, but an attorney can always get you a personal bond if you hire them or if I appoint someone to help you for free.
Let's appoint somebody to help me, please, and I'll work on you myself.
Absolutely.
Hold on. Melanie, did you just drop a humble brag and imply that you know Garth Brooks and use Garth's first name? Is that what that message just implied in the chat? Okay, yeah, yeah, okay. Just a fully full on. Great. Can you book him for our New Year's party that we're having on the internet? I
So ordered. You have any other questions for me,
like all music. I'll say that. And Trish, oh Mel, I love you.
Mr. Flores?
Thank you.
Take care of yourself, sir. Next, we have George Johnson. Wade.
Johnson, George,
No?
Johnson, George.
Johnson George. Don't worry, Jay. We ain't getting. There's not going to be any celebrities at this event other than me. Well, there'll be other, maybe. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Regardless, Johnson George.
George.
Oh, there he is. All right. So you've been charged with a state jail felony possession of controlled substance. The range of punishment on a type of offense in the state of Texas is a minimum of 6 months to a maximum of 2 years in a state jail facility and a $10,000 fine. That bond has been set at $7,500 plus a drug court screen. Do you have any questions, sir, regarding your charge or bond amount? Are you requesting that I appoint you an attorney this morning, sir, to help you with this case? All right, so ordered. Take care of yourself, Mr. Johnson. Next, we have Rafael Alvarez. Wade. Mr. Alvarez, you've been charged with a third-degree felony driving while intoxicated. The range of punishment on a type of offense in the state of Texas is a minimum of 2 years to a maximum of 10 years in the Texas Department of Correction and a $10,000 fine. That bond has been set at $10,000 plus a scram device plus an ignition interlock device. Do you have any questions, sir, regarding your charge or bond amount?
No, man.
Are you requesting that I appoint?
What the fuck is that? What did I click to do that? I'm now not joking. What did I do? I don't. What the hell? That's so weird. Also, escape. Thank you, Mike. I hit the X. I calmed down. I dealt with it. I don't know. That is not a Streamlabs thing. I X'd it. That was a YouTube thing. I'm afraid to click it. What I actually think is that, yeah, I press the space button. I press the space button all the time. That's how I usually pause it. I think that it is the stats for nerds, they call it. Stats for nerds. Also, what Randy Travis song? That's the one. Oh, at the dentist. Okay, so there starts a fun story, and I've told this story before, which is my own humble brag about oh no, I wasn't worried that it stopped Iowa. There was some statistics up in the top corner, which I'm fairly positive are what they call this stats for nerds or something like that. I think that's really what it's called. But um anyways, I've told the story before about how my wisdom teeth came in great. I only had 2 of them because I'm super evolved and had to get those removed. And it took the dentist so little time that people were like my grandma who thought she would have to drive me home was like, what, what are you done? What are you doing? What's the matter? Like she thought I hadn't had it done yet. But funny you mention that because at that dentist's office, they handed me, well, actually what happened was he goes, well, normally we give everybody the iPod. I mean, and this was in like 2010. So maybe, yeah, I think it probably was like an iPod Touch or something. And he's like, normally we just let everybody pick the music that they want. And like for them to have going in the thing. But he was like, I don't think you're gonna need it. You might, and he literally was done in under a song to get my wisdom teeth out. That's how quick he was. Love that quick guy. Anyways, we are not going to be on YouTube, Jay from Michigan, for the New Year's party. We are going to be in Discord, and I know that's scary for some people, and some of you are like, I don't want to do that, and I don't know how to do that, and what? Don't worry. We're going to walk through it together. We're going to figure it out. If you want to come, you can come. It'll be free. You'll have a good time.
Want you an attorney this morning to help you with this case. All right, so ordered. Take care of yourself, Mr. Alvarez. Please Uber in the future. Next, we have Gregory. I don't know how to pronounce your last name. D-Time? Okay, sir, my apologies if I'm butchering that. You have been charged with a felony application to revoke your probation from the 390th District Court. Wait,
Wilson.
Andrew Wilson?
Andrew?
No, I'm not.
Stand up here.
Ew.
Come stand up here.
Oh, he could have waived. I can see him. Mr. Wilson, you've been charged with a state jail.
Sorry, I just got a
Wait.
text message from
So
somebody
you've
and
also
they
been
called me
charged with a
babe
third degree
and should
felony
not
assault,
call
family
me
violence.
babe. Thanks, Scotty. Fucking everything up. I really don't know where we went. I didn't even do that. But oh, somebody new's here. Hi, Alexandrescu Boston. Super easy name to say. Welcome. Do you have a shorter name you like to go by?
Sorry, you're gonna have to come to the mic. I can't hear you from way back there in the back of the room. I apologize.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
So there's no bond whatsoever, so I'll be here for 5 to 7 days.
Correct. You must see the judge whose jurisdiction you're in front of. Absolutely.
Okay.
She's the only one that can determine if she's going to set a bond for you. I'm assuming you already have an attorney on this case that's been helping you?
This one's back from 3 years ago, so this literally just happened.
Okay, so you do need me to appoint someone to help you again this morning?
'Cause I was just finishing this off.
Okay. Okay, you have any other questions for me, sir?
No.
All right, take care of yourself, Mr. D-Time. Next, we have Eduardo Garcia. Wait. So you've also been charged with a third degree felony assault, family violence with a previous conviction. Again, that range of punishment is a minimum of 2 years to a maximum of 10 years in the Texas Department of Correction and a $10,000 fine. That bond has been set at $15,000. Do you have any questions, sir, regarding your charge or bond amount? Are you requesting that I appoint you an attorney this morning to help you with this case, sir? Who is that?
Who's your judge? Who's your lawyer?
Who is
Now it's paused. This is a great time to remind you to like the video regardless if it is good quality or not. Secondly, is it Halloween this weekend? That can't be right. That can't be right. Now there's a chase. Well, maybe my internet died for a reason. Who's your daddy? Lawyer. Apparently. Okay, there actually is a chase. Well, I am literally trying to make this work. I can't do it. Mike, what's going on? Is it just too much? Was it the stats for nerds? Anyways, go watch the chase. Go watch Mikey. Yeah, no, please go leave me for Mikey. I can't even play. It's the stats for nerds. Fucked it up. Anyways, you guys, listen. Go watch the chase. Look at this. A Creed frame. No. And too much sexiness. You're too sweet, Mike. I do appreciate it. I'm sending, yeah. Can somebody post the, you guys are too sweet. My sexiness exploded. Hold on, I'll link it in the chat. Give me a second, and then we'll just go hang out over there. Oh, and there's me. There you go. There's a live chase. Let's go watch it together. Okay. Remember, I love you. I'm proud of you, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. I'll restart my computer and see if I can come back in a bit, Court.